5 reasons to buy a Aprilia RSV4. Number 1, it comes in 2 options, standard and factory. The difference is the factory version sports standard elements such as forged aluminum wheel rims and Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system and Brembo Stylema brake calipers. Oh, and by the way, it's $7,000 more than the base. Number 2, it has a V4 1100cc engine with 217 horsepower and has a top speed of 189 miles an hour. That is ridiculously fast. Number 3, the base model comes in at an MSRP of $18.99, which is pretty reasonable when you compare it to the competition. I mean, our ones are nice, but this is nicer. Number 4, it has a beautiful Italian design with MotoGP inspired aerodynamics. It's a work of art that can cut through just about anything. Wow, that's a tongue twister. And number 5, ever dreamed of owning a supercar? Like a Lambo or similar? Aprilia calls this a superbike, and a superbike it is indeed. This thing is mad special. Trust me, I'll take this over a Lambo any day.